Just put naphthalene on softener and you'll thank me. I stopped spending money. For today's tip, we'll need naphthalenes. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Portia Wilson from South Africa. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. We'll wrap them in paper this way, sealing off all exits. And we're going to use a meat tenderizer to make the naphthalene completely dissipate into powder. After that, we will transfer the powder to a bowl. And then we'll add 500 milliliters of hot water. Ideally mix well as soon as you add a new ingredient. Now let's add 150 milliliters of vinegar. Make this mixture in your home. I'm sure you will be surprised by the result. And let's mix the ingredients again. We will add 3 tablespoons of detergent. The brand may be of your preference. This ingredient helps to strengthen when cleaning. Just this amount is more than enough to use for at least a month. And then we'll mix again. Then we'll add 100 milliliters of softener. The brand can also be your preference. We can use the cover of the softener itself as a meter, as I am doing here. And we mix it up again. Finally, let's add a liter of water. The best thing is that this mixture works perfectly for a thorough cleaning of the bathroom. Let's take one last mix in the ingredients, and we'll reserve the mixture for later now. We're gonna need an empty bottle. We will uncover the bottle to be able to make a hole in the lid to facilitate the application of the mixture. My visitors always ask me what my secret of why my bathroom is so smelly and my floors so clean. Meanwhile, we will use a funnel to transfer the previously prepared mixture into the bottle without wasting any of the mixture. After that, we will cap the bottle again, and so is ready. Today's tip: this mixture is perfect for floor cleaning, serving even the outside area of your home, and only if necessary use a broom to scrub. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it. And tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.